Ja, no, project car number. Oh, actually, this is al nummer 3 al, no? Ja? 1, 2, this is nummer 3. Dis die derde kar wat ons doen. Shame, mense gaan dit hy lyk sien, so sê is ons se kak. Shame. Must be kak when you're buying up all the cars, no? Yeah, no. And then I fix them. And then I shove them in storage. I don't even sell them. Save them all. Because clearly the people that own the shit just fucks it up. Die ene is 'n krenk is in sy poes. Die bearings is klaar. Die ringe is kapot. Cause low mileage. The fucking thing's immaculate. Yeah, it's one of ours. We buy them now. We don't fucking sell them again though. We keep them. It's no longer all fixing for others. Nee, ons gaan nou kak reg maak vir ons selfs, né? Ons modify en maak vir julle poes op die pad sonder dat ons nog back verkoop soos julle back baie praters, né? Don't be like Lily. Hier's 'n poes. Iemand gaat vra. Lily's 'n neighbor waar haar bly. Vra vir Jaap, nou sê ek kom ek het die. Ja, sy lieg, toe sê ek kom sy ma se poes. Don't call me a liar when I'm not lying. You're gonna hear your poes, right? En as sy voor my staan, sy steek gefriet, right? Niks bekkie. Maar as ek wegloop, nou wil sy skree sy poes af van die pad af. My poes sê af van die pad af. Dat ek ook sies by die winkel weer, né? Dat ek ook sies by die winkel, as nie, slaat ek jou in jou vet, en hy bin in jou poes. No? Moenie Jaap vra en dan mense wat 'n poes wat agterna nie na jou. You heard that, no? Nah, my bro, never been open, never been open. Yeah, that's the problem, you never fucking did fuck all on the car, né? So, dis maar nou die result van mense wat sê, nee, hulle gaan net ingooi, right? Hy service eintlik sy kakkie. He doesn't do major services on time. Hy's gebrande olie. This is due to synthetic oil mixing with normal oil. I can say that. Due to the amount of sludge laying in the bottom end. And due to the amount of sludge baked onto this thing. Sien julle die? Sien julle die? Dit is wanneer jy jou synthetic castrol mix met 'n ander kak olie. Jou cheap Israeli olie en hy kak. This is what happens, no? The oil don't really burn. But because it doesn't have viscosity anymore, it destroys the metal in the process. This crank is perfect, no? Have a look at this keyway is perfect. But hy's nou sy poes van iemand net olie gaan ingooi, hy lekker service. Right, en dan wil hulle overcharge as hulle dit goed is verkoop. Maar dis die kak wat jy aanvang met die karre, né? Oh, haarom koop ons hulle? Haarom koop ons vir hulle en ons sy vir hulle van julle af? Julle is 'n fuck up. Right toe. Dit was nog 'n 1.4 krankie so. Ah, no. 1.6. Z14 XCP. Dis al 'n 1.6 krank maar moet swap vir 'n 1.4 no. Hy's ook sludge. Hy's ook sludge. Ja. What do I know? I'm just an idiot from Mitchell's Plain. As fuck all man, it's mine. I can lay wherever the fuck it wants to lay. I can lay however it wants to. Right? I don't care. But yeah, a stuk in the olie ring. Center thrust damage. En ek dink 4 jaar laaste se olie change stories. Is the reason why this is in his push. Ja, sy mooi currency. But yeah, negligence. Dat wat ek gesê, ek is die poes op social media, maar kyk ook die kak wat julle aanvang met ander mense karre, né?